What's up, guys? This is Philly Surge RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton 8S EXB RTR. This is my third try with these tires. I re-glued the wazoo out these tires this time. I got both sides of the tires on each tire. So today is the final test. If these tires don't hold out today, at least on my first half of my bash, they will be getting the boot. Yeah, I'm running this on 2 CNHL 8S battery, 8800 milliamps, 120C. In this video, this is the last video for the giveaway, for you to enter the giveaway. So last video in this video, enter your answer to my first video. So without any further ado, let's get into it. A little windy out here, sorry about the wind. Ready. We're gonna take this bad boy off of 50%. We only got on 50%. We gonna rock hard. We're not doing 50%. Not pushing it all. To me personally, I don't know if it's the tires or what. But y'all know how this thing jumps. This beautiful beast thought of it is too hard. I'm not getting my usual speed. This is full throttle right here. Something ain't right. Hold on, I'm gonna recalibrate this real quick. Be right back. Yeah, I figured out what it was. I had it on 4S. Now this bitch gonna take off. There we go. I had one, I had only one of the batteries hooked up, so perfect. There we go. I get the right spot. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna get a few more jumps out of her, but I'm gonna have to redo these batteries. Yo, this thing is launching lovely right now. Yo. I'm gonna see, can I get up close? Motor wire came loose, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue this at my other bad spot. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm up at my usual bad spot, and I wanna see how well these tires are gonna hold out. As you see, they putting shoes up. So Randy, I think you might be right. They might be throwing a gate up, most likely. Common sense to be smart to throw a gate up. But okay, it's all about the Kraton now. Monster. I mean, they holding. But I said solved the diff problem. Still ballooning a lot in the front, but not as bad as it was. I thought it rained and it would have knocked down some of this dust. I still love the dust. I mean, no matter what I'm trying to say. Y'all know I'm hitting these dirt mountains. Oh, they got rid of that one, so all I got is this little pile right here. This is good enough, this will work. Oh! Perfect. Yo, major air. Ooh. Try to get a hard one. Oh shoot, I missed it completely. This motor wire is real loose. I gotta adjust that real quick. Yeah, I tightened up the yeah, look, smooth that out. This will make a nice little track though. You know what I mean? Bring some street cars up here. You know, you gotta you know, follow this down. That'd be kind of awesome here. Very, very awesome. Yo, this is why I love my Kraton. Somebody asked me, why do I have so many different Kratons? And I'm like, it's just an awesome car, awesome platform, nice performance. Awesome all around the board. Boom! You know what, this is my last jump, so I do not want to break it. But next to my last jump. Oh! There's so much dust. Let's go! Perfect. Now this thing glide in the air like a bird. Ooh, I ain't trying to hit it hard that time. Oh. See, with this car, it's easy to problem is these dirt tires are not gonna last, so man, it sounds like it broke something. I'm getting so much dust in my face. Perfect. That thing is no joke. Perfect. See, the Outcast, I'd have pulled off a backflip, but whoa!
Ready.
Yeah, she overheated on me. I was hammering hard on it. That was a very hard hammer. But it survived, the tire survived. The wing, on the other hand, did not survive. So what I'm gonna do, call it a day. This thing is a beast, man. I love my Kraton series. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.